In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Pocket Option Demo account. Easy tutorial. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to access the free demo, follow the built-in tour, and make your first practice trade so you can get comfortable without risking real money. This is for educational purposes only, and the demo uses virtual funds, which makes it perfect for learning. Start by opening your browser and searching for Pocket Option. Click the official website in the results. On the homepage, look for the free demo option and click it. This takes you straight into the practice environment, no deposit needed. When the demo page loads, click Start to begin. A guided tour will appear on the screen to show you where everything is, and you'll advance it by clicking Continue each time. Go ahead and click Continue through each tip. The tour highlights different parts of the interface, like the chart area, the asset list, and the trading panel. Keep clicking. Continue as these hints appear so you can see each feature. If a panel opens or a highlight is shown, simply review it and click. Continue again until the tour prompts you to interact. When the tour asks you to place a practice order, click Buy. This doesn't use real money. It's only to demonstrate how orders appear on the chart and how results are displayed. After that, click Continue to move forward. When the tour finishes, click Start Trading to enter the full demo interface where you can explore on your own. Next, click on the 0001 Tiao timer you'll see near the trading panel. This is the trade duration. Selecting 1 minute is a common way to test quick setups in the demo. If you want to adjust the value the tour is highlighting, use the plus sign to increase the selected setting. This plus button is helpful for quick, precise adjustments during practice. Now try the opposite side of the trade by clicking Sell to see how both directions work in the demo. You'll notice the platform shows your entry on the chart and tracks the outcome based on the duration you chose. To explore different markets, click the asset name at the top of the chart. For example, if you see AUDCHF, click it. This opens the list of available instruments. From here, click on Currencies to filter and pick from the available forex pairs. Changing assets is a great way to test how the platform behaves with different charts and volatility. That's it. You've entered the demo, completed the tour, placed practice buy and sell orders, adjusted duration, and switched assets. Take your time experimenting and focus on learning the interface before making any real decisions.